Is this a meet cute? Oh my god, Joe McAdams in the notebook, 'cause I keep on staring and the whole world stops. This song is playing, just a
Show the book.
Hi guys,
Okay.
this dress.
What do you guys think about this dress?
I don't like it.
You think it's a little too short?
It's also so cute.
Yeah.
Showing all the things that you should.
Okay, let's go. This is a no. I'm trying to find a dress for Princess because it's her 18th birthday.
Sarah.
She rebranded to Sarah, so yeah. We're trying to find a dress for Sarah because it's so weird. She wants a red or an orange dress. This is something vibrant, which we don't have here. This is the only one she found, so we're gonna. This is the second dress.
It's giving maternity dress.
It's giving what?
Maternity dress.
Okay.
So, giving Chinese New Year.
It's giving Chinese New Year. Oh, it's so nice.
So it's not giving birthday.
Okay, let's leave. We actually can.
Bye.
We thought it was gonna give sexy, but it's giving. It's giving hood. Okay, a little update. We have been to like 5 stores and she does not like anything. This is the front. Look at the back. It's a backpack.
I saw a vision, but the vision.
We really have to find Stradivarius. That's our last.
Okay, I haven't gone to Stradivarius. No. Okay, can you go inside? That's a fail. Can you? Ano? This fits.
Literally this whole day, I was just in Mega Mall and I got 10,467 steps. Her birthday is this Friday and she doesn't have a dress. She's probably gonna be naked on her birthday. There's this like Solana market. If you guys are familiar with like flea markets. Guess what? It's on her birthday. She doesn't have a dress, but she has a whole lot of alcohol. Okay, so time to eat. I made some Bicol Express. I was craving it since yesterday, but then it took so long to defrost the meat. When I woke up this morning, I was like, okay, this is it. I really need to make my Bicol Express. Let's see if it turns out any good. It's so hot. This would be so much better if I had like the real parang siling labuyo and also the thing that you put in sinigang, the green pepper. But I think this is an okay Bicol Express. Like, it's still spicy because of the alamang that I use. Whenever someone asks me what my favorite food is, I always say sinigang or sisig because those are like the 2 staples. But I feel like Bicol Express should be in the top 3 also because I've been cooking this so much recently and I've been loving it. It's like a good mix of spice and also the creaminess of the coconut milk. Really love laing also. Like, anything with coconut milk, I would eat. I am sweating so much right now because I'm filming with my phone and I don't want the audio to get weird, so I turned off the electric fan. The things I do for you guys. The things I do for you. Just think that my skin is actually this dewy. Like, don't think that it's sweat. It's just me glowing, okay? Anyways, I'm actually heading out in a bit. I need to go to the grocery to pick up a few things because I ran out of milk. I was really craving for matcha latte this morning, but I just made my usual coffee instead. But yes, I'm gonna go get milk and also I need plastic cups. Oh, by the way, it's my sister's 18th birthday and she's gonna be celebrating in like an Airbnb in Tagaytay. So, I think most of this video is gonna be all about that. Oh my god, I'm actually sweating so much. I'm basically heading the whole thing, so I'm a little nervous, but I'm also excited because I'm doing this like flower arrangement thingy for the table. I actually want to show you guys what I got from Mr. DIY yesterday. I got this like little candles for this jar, so it's gonna be inside, and I don't know how to explain the vision, but you guys will see it tomorrow. Oh, yesterday. And I also got these like vases for the flowers, so yeah, hopefully it will turn out well because I've never done anything like this. I think the only time that I would arrange flowers is when Coach would get me flowers and then I'd put it in the vase, and yeah, that's my level of experience. I have good hopes. Like, I really think I'm gonna slay it and I'm gonna discover a new talent for myself. Okay, so I'm back home. Time to make some matcha. Just gonna add this much matcha. I don't know if you guys can see actually. This much. And then I have some warm water here, not hot. Apparently you're not supposed to use hot water. You should use like warm water. I know some people say like you should whisk it manually, but then I don't have the whisk yet, the bamboo whisk, so I just use this electric frother. And I'm also gonna be adding this creamer. I'm making a Spanish matcha latte today, or matcha Spanish latte. It's so hard though, because like I put it in the ref. It's literally like solid. It's so hard to squeeze. Okay, I think that's good. Then I'll mix that again. Why is it mad? There. I swear I do it better off cam. Like, I don't know why it's so messy today. We're gonna add milk. This is basically the only thing I got from the grocery. Oops, I forgot milk. I mean, I forgot the ice. I usually add the ice first before I put the milk, just so it gets cold na agad. I want a little more of the creamer. I'd usually be okay now with the initial taste, but I want something sweeter today because I've been craving for something sweet. I actually got this like bread also. It's the kababayan thing. I'm pretty sure you can get this in local bakeries and for much cheaper at that. I think this is like 3 pesos in the local bakeries in Batangas, but since I do not have access to those, I just bought this instead. So good! It actually tastes the same. It's called muffin from, it's from Marby. I'm just gonna be having this little afternoon snack before I start packing for Tagaytay. I need 4 outfits, I think. So my going there outfit, my white outfit, because my sister required everyone to wear white at night. I need sleeping clothes obviously, and then my morning outfit because I will probably be swimming with Coach in the morning. I don't want to swim with the high school kids and ruin the fun at night, so we're just gonna swim in the morning. After the thingy, I think Coach and I will have lunch in Tagaytay, so I think I need an outfit for that too. So basically 5 outfits pala. I get so stressed about packing because I want to have everything and I want to take good pictures also because the place is really nice, so yeah. But for now, let's please enjoy our snack first. Gela, okay? Cheers. Also, I did my laundry kanina. They're all there right now, and some of the clothes that I want to wear are there. So hopefully it dries quickly, because if not, I don't know. It's actually 10:26 p.m. right now. I know it's really late, but I got distracted with other things, so I'm just gonna finish packing now. I've picked outfits already. I have 5 outfits, complete na siya. So I'm just gonna pack 4 of them because one is what I'm gonna be wearing going there. Oh my gosh, I feel so sleepy already, so let's finish this quickly. I don't even know if you guys can see me. Oh, I have my makeup on by the way because I was filming a TikTok video kanina. But yes, I'm gonna be using this like aqua flask bag to pack all of my clothes. I'm just gonna be rolling them per outfit, so it's gonna be easy to pull out na lang tomorrow. This is my morning outfit, my sleeping clothes, my white outfit, then my bikini. Okay, so they all fit perfectly in this aqua flask bag. Carry it like this. I've already packed my makeup bag also. I did this in a TikTok video, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll link it down below. I also have this like little pouch over here with all of my brushes and cushion puffs. And then I also have this pouch. I'm gonna put my toiletries here, but I'll do that tomorrow na lang since obviously I'm gonna be taking a bath for tomorrow. So yes. Can we get this? Or this?
I'll get both.
Okay, let's get this. Wait, I have to say that again. I got Sprite. I'm making it say it again because he was playing music kanina.
I got
No, you know
Monster.
that thingy? I included clips of the thing where I was dancing and I couldn't monetize it, so I just muted that whole part. You went here for this.
You said we were gonna share it.
No, you wanted it.
You said we were gonna share it.
He's a little boy. She just clicked on the thing. No, I don't like it. It's too strong.
No, chase me.
Ah!
What do you mean? I know you don't like Monster. Okay,
I
but
thought you wanted me to drink it.
just bond.
Your tummy's gonna hurt from that. Because you didn't eat anything and then you're gonna drink Monster. And then sour. Oh my god, this is.
No, hey, I had dynamite.
Mommy, I hope you're ready with the food. God, just really hungry.
But parang the police are supported sa
No, normally it's not allowed, but during fiestas, it's fine. Like, you could set up. Like, our plaza. Oh, see? It's actually the plaza. The Manila boy is quite fascinated.
Very.
Oh, no, they're gonna turn.
turning red.
Imagine.
Thought we were gonna follow this thing. I'm gonna turn on my hazard lights so it looks like a procession.
Wow! Pwede mo mayalan pag maganda na ako? Ang papangit niyo pa, guys. Gusto ako maganda right now. Sorry ah. Sinama ka. Parang ganun. Sis, di mo tayo ba? Why? Oh, okay, go lang. You guys are so... You guys are crazy. Why do you guys have so much money?
We're broke now. We didn't eat the whole thing. You guys know when it's someone's 18th birthday, you give 18 roses, right? But Sarah, our funniest friend, I don't have it, but I'll show it later. Our funniest friend, we're gonna give her 18 nipple tips. We're requesting you guys to join the 18
Nipple tips?
Yeah.
With my boyfriend?
No. What you have to do is you have to give the nipple tip, and then you just have to share an experience with Sarah.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
Sister nipple.
You guys go out? You guys gonna go out? We're not at the Airbnb and we're just fixing up some flowers. We're just fixing up some flowers. I got these like carnations and I think this is called status from Dangwa. I got it delivered back to my place. But yeah, it was much cheaper than buying it in a floral shop nearby.
Hihiya sa akin ko. Sabi niya, ako lang kahit magbanig, hindi lang marunong mag-English. Hindi ba kailangan mag-English?
Sino yun?
Si Kuya.
Ate Kuya.
Nalaman, hindi sasama si Sed.
God speaks Tagalog!
Akala niya hindi nagtatagalog si Kod. Hinirapan daw siyang hindi
One more pink. Are the two staff for today. Coach Chrissy on flower duties and Mommy Mac on balloon duties. Pero mukhang hotdog. Bakit mo? I think you can just fill it up. Then Ate Nicole also got Princess some flowers. So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so ugly. My makeup is with Princess, but we're just trying to prepare the table right now. We made like a little flower arrangement. Okay, we're getting some essentials. Still with Coach.
Yung isa.
Can you get me one? Can you get me one?
Mine.
Dami Lord. Wait lang. There's a bird. Did you go to the slide, Tabana? How was the slide?
Good. It was so fun.
Really?
Slippery.
What's wrong, ba?
Nice.
Don't jump. Say hi to our vlog. Oh my god. Oh, I can reach it. Oh, sorry. How did you?
I'm thinking.
You're thinking? I'm gonna save you. The lifeguard is too slow.
All my English teachers except
Oh, save them.
What if we go to a McDonald's Tagaytay? Oh, coffee.
We should actually just think about it.
Has it been 10 minutes like since we were
I
there?
actually don't know. I don't know if like we were just entertained by the place.
For that long?
I don't know actually.
Weird.
I think we went here.
Good thing we saw that.
Good choice. Yeah.
Phone rings. She said to pick her up, but that's a bad call. Timing. I don't wanna regret it when it goes wrong.